Hi, welcome to another handheld Halo Publishing KDP tutorial. In this one, we're going to make a cover completely free of charge for your KDP word search puzzle book. First of all, grab your image assets from free stock image websites like Pixlr and Pixlr. I'm actually using Pixlr for this tutorial, but I'll link both in the description below. I forgot to mention we're going to make a phishing word search cover, but you've probably worked that out. You could also create your own image assets using your preferred AI image generator. Open Photoshop or the image editor of your choice. Once your editor is open, load the Amazon cover template for your book. In this example, I'm creating a 6x9 inch cover, so I've opened the 6x9 template. I'll link to the Amazon templates in the description below. Be sure to rename your project so you don't accidentally save over the original template. If you don't have Photoshop, free alternatives like Photopea, GIMP or Pixlr work just as well. The steps are basically the same. Using the rectangular marquee tool or a similar shape tool, create a rectangle and fill the rectangle with your chosen cover color. Set this solid color layer's opacity to 70% so you can still see the Amazon template beneath. Start placing your image assets to create your cover. If you want to use a word search grid as I have in this example, you can easily find one online or use any of the grids you've exported using the handheld Halo Publishing word search generator tool. In Photoshop, each image is placed on a different layer, which can get confusing, so it's good practice to name each layer as you go along. Also, remember to periodically save after any significant change to avoid losing your work. Let's add some images that relate to the book's content. It's important to keep all images within the safe area of the template, otherwise some of your design may be cut off in the printing process, or Amazon may reject your cover for non-compliance. You also need to watch out for the barcode placement on the back of the cover, as Amazon will print that over any images you place in that area. So keep everything well away from the template's barcode placeholder. In this tutorial, I'm making a very simple cover design, but you can be much more creative to really make your cover stand out from the Amazon crowd. There are a lot of very generic word search covers, so really take this opportunity to give your book that point of difference. It's important to use a font that is easily readable and stands out. I'm using a combination of Apple Gothic Neo, Barlow Condensed Light and Barlow Condensed Bold, but use what artistically looks best and what suits the theme of your word search puzzle book. I'm using a white font for this cover, but it's an artistic choice and you should use what best suits your design. Continue to add elements to your cover until you're happy with the design. I've skipped forward a little here, but as you can see, I've added an ellipse with the words puzzle book. This is optional, but it's a good idea to include the instructions on the back of your cover to explain how to use the word search puzzle book. I do this by using the Photoshop shape tool to create a white rectangular panel and then copy-paste some pre-prepared instructions onto the white panel. I'll include my instruction text in the description below, which you can edit and reuse on all your own word search book covers. Turn the opacity back up to 100% and that's your cover complete. You can export and save your cover in PDF format. However, in this example, I'd like to try a different cover color as the red is not really working for me. Let's try an orange. I think I prefer that. If you're not happy with your design, try swapping out images until you get something you like. I think this cover is a little too serious, so let's try some other images to make it a bit more light-hearted. Once you're happy, save and export the cover in PDF format following Amazon's print-ready specifications, PDF X1A 2001. This PDF format flattens transparencies, embeds fonts, and uses the print-safe CMYK color format required by Amazon. I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Start your Amazon KDP business today. Link in the description.